Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate all drawer panels. Place the drawer front face down on your work surface and apply a thin layer of wood glue to the dovetail joints. Install the drawer sides by aligning the dovetail joints and using your rubber mallet to tap them in place, assuring they are firmly connected. Slide the drawer bottom panel into the grooves of the sides and gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Insert the drawer back panel by aligning the dovetail joints and assuring the bottom panel is properly seated in the joint grooves. Gently tap with your rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. Make sure all drawer panels are properly aligned before tacking them together with your nail gun on all four corners. Turn your drawer box over so the bottom is facing up. Install the bottom drawer support by inserting the wooden dowels into the dowel holes at the front of the drawer box and secure it to the back panel with your nail gun. Then, attach the soft close triggers to the bottom of the drawer box towards the front with your drill and screws. Locate the cabinet face frame and left and right side panels. Lay the frame on your work surface facing down and apply a thin layer of wood glue to all joint grooves on the back of the frame. Insert the side panels into the joint grooves of the frame with the notched corner for the toe kick facing downward and at the bottom. Gently tap the panels with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Make sure the side panels are properly seated and aligned, then secure them to the frame using metal brackets and provided screws. Slide the top, middle, and bottom panels into the joint grooves of the side panels and face frame. Make sure the panels are properly seated and aligned before setting the back panel in place. Gently tap the panels in place with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Use your narrow crown gun to secure the back panel to the side panels. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Flip the cabinet box over on its back and apply metal brackets to the bottom of the middle panels to secure them to the face frame on the inside of the cabinet. Additionally, secure the bottom and top panels on all sides with metal brackets on the outside of the cabinet. Locate your toe kick and set it in place, making sure it's properly aligned before securing it with your Senko fastener. Locate the upper door fronts and place them face down on your work surface. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the doors and attach them with your drill and screws. Then attach the doors to the cabinet face frame. Adjust the hinges to properly align the doors to the desired position. Apply rubber bumpers to the inside corners of the doors. Insert your shelf pins to the desired height and angle the upper shelf panel into place. Use your drill and screws to install the glide supports to the bottom of each side panel inside the cabinet. Then, install the drawer glides onto the glide supports. Extend the glides and place your drawer box on top. Push the drawer back until it clicks into place. Congratulations on completing your assembly.